My name is Nicole Hansen. I'm the repair department manager here at KaVo Kerr, and we take pride in knowing, and the customer can be confident in knowing, that our specialists are repairing their handpieces and taking the care with each and every handpiece that they touch. So when we get handpieces in that have non-KaVo parts, it is a little disheartening. We know that the customer is not getting the same experience they would as if they had KaVo parts. Once you put a non-KaVo part into the handpiece, we cannot guarantee that the other parts will work properly or align properly.
Non-KaVo parts wear out faster, so therefore you have to replace it more often than you would genuine KaVo parts, and you would spend more money just because you would be changing them more often.
They just don't perform as well, and I've seen cases where they have actually glued the non-KaVo parts into the handpiece. So if glue comes out into a patient's mouth, you don't want that, do you?
Fixing these pieces is like fixing a NASCAR. You wouldn't put third-party parts in a NASCAR, so you want the best parts. So you're going to use the top quality parts, and that's what we have here, and that's what we do here.
And our goal is a 24-hour turnaround time to get it right back out to the customer, because the quicker we can do that, the quicker the customer is back up and running. To get the best performance out of your handpiece, please use KaVo parts. It will improve the longevity, and it will make sure that all of the pieces are interworking together properly.